Hi everyone, my name is Karen. Welcome to the home workout with Sony SP800N 2-week challenge. So this will be a 10-minute plank workout. Come join me, have fun and be healthier together. Sony SP800N has no distraction with digital noise cancelling, and you can listen to the workout instruction without any distraction. Due to the current situation, we are advised to stay indoor. So, how to stay fit and still achieve your fitness goal during this time? Accept this challenge, get yourself a Sony SP800N today and move together with me now. We are going to start our workout with INCHWORM. Beginning with standing at the back of your mat, hinge your body forward and slowly walk your hands towards to a plank position, and then slowly walk your hand back to your standing position. And repeat. Now, we are going to do plank shoulder tap. Come down to a high plank position. Make sure your wrist is directly under your shoulder and your feet and hip is wide apart. Bring one hand up to touch the opposite shoulder and then switch side. Remember to maintain your body in a straight line and keep breathing when you tap the shoulder. And now we are going to do plank rotation. Starting in a high plank position, make sure your shoulder and your feet is wide apart. Reach your left hand toward the ceiling and then coming back to the plank position and switch side. Remember to engage your core, tighten your abs and maintain your body in a straight line. Next, we are going to do a plank reach. Come down to the mat to a high plank position. Make sure your body is in a straight line. Reach forward with your right arm to the front and then coming back to the ground and switch side. Next, we are going to do commando. Begin with a plank position on your forearm on the mat. Push up on your left side so that your arm is straight, and then follow up with your right arm to a high plank. And then coming back down to a forearm plank. And repeat. Next, we are going to do plank jack. Starting in a high plank position, remember to engage your abs, jump both feet out wide, and then jump back to a plank position and repeat. If this is too difficult for you, you can skip the jumping and just step your right foot out to the side and bring it back to the center. Next, we are going to do a Spiderman plank. Come down to a plank position, engage your core, try to reach your knee towards your elbow, and step back to a plank and do another side. Remember to always engage your core, keep your core tight, and never let your body collapse. Now, we are going to do a side plank. Start on your side with your feet together. Your forearm should be directly below your shoulder. Engage your core, raise your hip up until your body is in a straight line and hold. This exercise is perfect for our obliques and core. Remember to keep your core tight all the time. Find your balance. Now, let's do another side. Now we are going to do plank. Get into a forearm plank position. Make sure your elbow on the floor is directly underneath your shoulder. Your back is flat. Your head and your neck are in a neutral position. Squeeze your core and hold. Good job guys! Don't forget to join the 2-week challenge. I'll see you in the next one. Check out in the description box for the special promo.
Sony